Take a moment to check out the 2017 Lincoln MKX. This vehicle still has fewer than 90,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. You deserve a ride that was designed with your needs in mind. The time is right to take advantage of the technology, performance, and creature comforts this vehicle has to offer. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, Bluetooth connection, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, auxiliary audio input, cruise control, power windows, AM/FM stereo, privacy glass. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.